Hey!
Sorry. Can we dice this nice and small, please? Chop the end off. Yep, and then dice, please.
Do you want the knife you were using yesterday? If you do, it's in the drainer. It's a bit sharper. I know.
Okay, which one do you want?
Good job. It's very important to have clean hands. Oh, that's on. Okay, ready to dice? You can choose whichever knife you prefer. That one's my favourite one. The other one is the one you were using yesterday. Take your pick. Yeah, I like that one for you. I think it's a tiny bit lighter. Beautiful.
Yeah. Okay, could you put them in this pan, the onions? Or do you want me to do that?
What do we check for before we put things in the pan?
Ah,
Has it created a non-stick surface?
no.
Not yet.
Okay, well then we need to do the chicken while we're waiting.
Sorry.
So we need to, this is going to be a little harder, okay? But we need to create small chunks of chicken.
Yeah, just like dicing.
Dicing but with meat.
You can use the same knife, that's okay.
So I'll do the onions first.
Yeah. We not got a tea towel?
There's no tea towel.
Oh man, I'll do laundry tomorrow. Oh look, there they are.
So
There we
a lot of
go.
them are getting wet and not good.
That's okay. It just means I need to do laundry. I haven't washed any for a bit.
Oh right.
Hokey pokey.
Sorry.
Okay, ready to dice some chicken?
This might be a little harder. Chicken is a little harder to go through.
Would you like help?
It's impossible for me.
It's alright, you just have to do it like that. You have to use a bit of a sawing motion and not just a pressing motion.
Yeah. Someone's got an alarm going off.
That was being me.
Oh,
Okay.
I cannot.
It's okay, don't worry.
Shall I do
It's
it?
impossible.
Don't worry,
not.
that's what grown-ups are for having.
Yeah, it's just see how I have to saw
It is
a
one of
bit
the
more?
hardest things to cut is raw meat.
Yeah. Not everything is just a press, it's a saw. A little saw in, see? Ready?
Can I?
Yeah. You have to hold the meat, I'll hold the meat, and then you just, that's it, you can see, you're done.
Beautiful.
And then across that one. There you are.
There we go.
Okay, that's good.
Nice work.
And there, this one.
Yeah, give that one chop in half.
There we go. That's good. And we'll do this one. Okay. Start at the end. That's it.
The problem is
Hold
the
on,
chicken
hold on.
is kind of wet, so if you just press and you don't hold it, it moves and then the knife
Yeah,
can't
that's
go
it.
through it.
Okay.
You're doing
You
great.
need to do that one in half in a minute. Okay, so I'll do that like that. Do you want to do that one? There you go. Sorry, I've got to hold it to because you. Okay. That's it.
There we go. Lovely.
There we are. Do you want to do that one in half? Oh, sorry. There you go.
Watch Daddy's fingers. You don't
Okay.
want to put that in the curry by mistake. That
Definitely
would
not.
taste gross. Be all tough and chewy. Ugh.
Cool. I think that's done. That was
All
hard, wasn't
good.
it? Right, wash hands.
Can we stop recording now?
Into this pan for the onions, please. There. And the last bit. Okay. And then chicken into the other pan.
You want Daddy to do the chicken? Yeah.
The chicken into the pan. Don't throw it.
Good tongs?
So pick that up, not too many, and then just turn. Okay?
That's it.
You can use your hand to put it on, because you're going to wash your hand afterwards anyway. That should be done, is it? Yeah.
The rice is done.
Okay. Wonderful. Right, wash hands. Okay, next part. Could you get me some scissors? Okay.
He's standing over a rice cooker.
Cut over the top of that. All the way across if you can. Bit lower. Bit lower.
Don't worry about making the scissors dirty, we'll clean them after.
Okay, right, and then pour that into there. Squeeze it out. Good. We want it all in there. Okay, and then we're going to put a bit of water in, okay? Bit of cold.
It's very much the Daddy method of doing curry.
Not too much. Stop. There we are. So this just makes it more saucy. Yeah. You probably still need to. Okay, you want to make sure these chicken bits, you see the uncooked bits, we've moved them onto the pan to cook. Do you want to try? Moving the chicken bits. Maybe some tongs would work for you.
There's none in there, they're in the dishwasher.
Okay, try that or try these. So like you can just go in, yeah, and do that. Try that. You're a bit further apart. Yeah, okay. It spits a bit, doesn't it? Does it get on your arm? So basically we just have to wait for the chicken to cook.
Cut. Oh, cut. Action. Very good stirring. Expert stirring.
Okay, Anna. Where are you, sweetie?
She's in my office. Anna, come help.
Okay, first off we want to put the onions into the sauce. Not using that. Using
Nope.
this. Just help them go all in. Make sure none are lost. Yeah, and then put that one on the edge, make sure that's in. Give that a good stir so that it's all stirred in. Good. Right. Next, we need 3 even portions of rice. That's good. Done. Okay, let it. You done?
Finish stirring.
Finish stirring. Great.
That's
Leave
it,
that in
leave
there.
that in the
Just
pot.
Leave it in there.
That's
Sorry,
lovely.
there's lots to do in this one. With this, we need 3 bits of rice into the bowls.
Try not to spill the rice, darling. Well done. Okay.
Is that
There's
all
more
the
rice, so we can keep going. We can do a little bit more in each bowl. Oh, that's a lot more for one bowl. Can that be my bowl? Lovely.
Okay, now make sure the rice is everywhere.
Take a little bit out of that one and put it in the blue one. Or is,
Depends which one's yours, sweetie.
yeah. Lovely.
So
Okay,
let's
is the
just-
blue bowl your bowl?
Make sure the rice is, because the curry's going to go over the rice.
Yeah, we
Okay?
spread the rice out so it mixes.
Okay, now chicken. Even number of chickens in each bowl, please.
I will have 4 chickens, please. And a Coke.
No.
It was a joke.
It's from something.
The Blues Brothers.
Hey, please don't mention anything.
Okay, sorry.
I'll censor that when I make a video.
Please.
Sounds good. You should censor me. Okay, remember to put chicken in the other bowls as well.
I need to do it for everyone.
Don't give all the chicken to one person,
Otherwise, I'll
unless
be-
it's me.
I think we need to go on to the next one because it's going to be a smaller portion.
Yeah, there we go.
Okay, cool. Right, let's move that to the back.
And then we get saucy.
Now time for sausage roll.
No, saucy sauce, something entirely different.
Okay, right. So I'm gonna pull, and then I think, is that enough for the moment? Let's just pour this one. Okay, and then we'll pour this one. Get a little bit more on this one. Okay, and then more on this one. Now, let me show you a trick. See how this is all stuck? So, look at this. Here we go in like this, and we scrape the pan. Look how much sauce was in the pan. Now, which one should that go on, do you think? That one? Make sure it's all out, because otherwise we're just leaving food to not be eaten. And et voila.